Hello guys, good afternoon. And today guys, I'm going to do a different video today because I am going to sing. Yes guys, I'm going to sing, and you are going to see, or I'm going to unveil my hidden talent. Just kidding, please, no bashing. Yeah, yes guys, I love singing since when I was young, and I think most Filipinos, they love to sing, and music guys runs into our blood. That is why, to all the Filipinos, that is why guys. So today I'm going to do a different video. So I'm going to sing a song called Always Remember Us This Way by Lady Gaga. Yes, and yeah, I love this one to sing. And guys, I am using this big speaker. This speaker is with Bluetooth guys, so I'm going to connect it into my phone so we can have the karaoke version of the song. Okay guys, and of course I also have this microphone, so you can hear me sing. Okay guys, and let's do this. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, so you can see many videos of us guys, different videos, gardening, cooking, family vlogs, and now I have just started doing these cover songs. And what else guys, family adventures. We love to go and visit different places. And what else, yes guys, so cooking, cleaning, and motherhood, mom's life guys. So maybe you can relate to what I do every day. And yes guys, so let's do it. The Arizona sky burning in your eyes, you look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, poets trying to write. We don't know how to rhyme, but damn we try. But all I really know, you where I wanna go. The part of me that you will never die. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll way. When you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. Thank you all so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and see you again on the next one. Bye.